What is going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your radiator in your 2006 Nissan Altima. Stay tuned. If you want to learn how to maintain your car and all other kinds of cool stuff, then hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss anything. Let's go ahead and get started. The tools you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a V-tool. That V-tool takes off plastic clips around your bumper, your door panel, your fender skirts, different things like that around your car. The first thing you're going to do is remove the radiator cap. This will make it easier for the fluid to come out when you open up that petcock. If you leave the cap on there, that fluid just trickles out the bottom. The next thing you're going to do is remove that lower splash shield. This is when that V-tool come in handy. Now that you got the splash shield out of the way, go ahead and open up that petcock, let that fluid come out. While it's draining, get your pliers and go ahead and take off the lower radiator hose. And if you have an automatic transmission, the two transmission lines. Now let's go ahead and move to the top. Start by taking off your overflow hose. That's located right beside the radiator cap. After you remove that, go ahead and take off your top radiator hose. Now you can go ahead and remove the wiring from your cooling fans. Now that you got that wiring out of the way, go ahead and take off the top radiator mounts. They're held on with two 10mm bolts. After you get those brackets out of the way, go ahead and take the radiator out. Set it on the ground beside you so you can transfer the fan shrouds from one radiator to the other. The fan shroud is held on with two 10mm bolts also. Remove those bolts, the fan shroud assembly will just lift up, transfer it to the new radiator, and reinstall those two bolts. To install the radiator, you're just going to reverse procedure. It's as simple as that. I'll put a link in the description below to where you can buy this radiator. I'll also put a link down below where you can get a great deal on some tools. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.